If you're thinking about making candles for yourself or as a gift, this here is a great set to get started with. Gadget Junkie here. In this video, I'm featuring this candle making kit. Full transparency, I did purchase this with my own money. This is not a sponsored video. So this kit has everything in it except for a heat source for making 8 candles. So you're gonna get 8 bars of soy wax individually wrapped. You're gonna get 8 candle tins that you can use for making your candles. They even give you the cork coasters because these here will be hot. So they give you these cork coasters to protect your surface. You get some candle coloring here if you wanted to add some color to your candles. You get 4 different bottles of essential oil here for testing out. You got some vanilla, lemon, rose, and lavender. They give you some stickers here for decorating your tins. You get some rounds, obviously, for the rounds, and some front labels here for each of the 4 flavors that you get, or 4 scents that you get. You do get a candle making guide here. They do give you some detailed instructions on how to make the candles. You get a stirrer, a pot for melting your wax, and then you're going to get wicks, wick holders, and wick stickers. So again, everything you need to get started making candles except for a heat source. So if you guys are looking for a fun way to get into candle making, I highly recommend this kit here. I hope this helps.